Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to collaborate in real time on Google Drive. So whether you're working with classmates, coworkers, or clients, yeah, Google Drive makes it super easy to edit and share files together live. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in to your Google account. Now, open an existing document, spreadsheet, or presentation, or create a new one using the new button on the left side. Next, click the Share button in the top right corner. This is where you invite people to collaborate with you in real time. Type the email addresses of the people you want to invite. You can add multiple people at the same time if needed. Before sending the invite, choose what access they'll have. You can make them a viewer, commenter, or editor depending on what you want them to do. Once they open the file, everyone can work together live. You'll actually see edits, comments, and cursor movements appear in real time, which is pretty useful, you know. If you don't want to directly change the file, you can leave comments or switch to suggesting mode in Google Docs. So, this helps teams review content without overwriting anything. Google Drive also saves version history automatically. That means you can check older edits or restore previous versions anytime. Yeah, one really helpful tip is organizing shared files into folders so your team can access everything from one place instead of searching through random documents. And that's it. Now you know how to collaborate in real time on Google Drive step by step. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more quick Google Workspace tutorials.